Welcome back to the YouTube channel.
It's too corny.
What?
Let's go on it.
We're gonna take a shot at building a gaming computer. Got some parts here. So we're building a computer. Right. This one is mine. We already built yours, so my turn. I'll make a short little video on how it goes.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, here's some of the parts.
Got motherboard.
Well, the RAM's already in the
Graphics card.
Yeah.
Some fans. Processor. And CPU cooler.
Pop this open. I kind of already opened it.
Leave it on there. Leave it on the plastic.
You make a valid point, my friend. These are Corsair Vengence 8GB sticks in there. Ooh. How much is that actually? 32 gigabytes of RAM. Go ahead and pop the tiny computer in. Need a knife. We got a i9 9900K 9th gen processor. Got it for a little bit of a deal, so can't really argue with that. This is origami.
Really ain't that hard, bro. Okay, buddy. No, it's not that part. It's over there. No, you don't need that. You can throw that. And then just lift this.
BAM! It's open. Alright. Alright, so CPU is in, RAM is in. We've got a Master Liquid LC240E. Be back in 1 minute.
We took all the panels off. And he's repositioning this fan lower down here so he can fit the whole radiator on the front. We're mounting this piece, the cooler, onto the CPU, and we'll get back to you. Okay.
Okay, update time. I don't know why I'm screaming. Every time he points that thing at me, I start screaming. But
As a real YouTuber.
Huh? That's how you know I'm a real YouTuber?
Yep.
No, but okay, so we got the fans in all. How many did you say?
7.
7? I don't know where he counted
1,
7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's 8. My bad.
Is there really 8? 2, 4, 6. Are you dumb?
What? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
6. It's 6. 6 fans in.
Actually, technically, it's more than 8 because your graphics card has what, 2, 3 fans?
Okay, but right now there's 6 fans in the computer. Motherboard has most of the key components attached to it. We're going to work on getting this all situated. This is the attachment for the CPU cooler to the actual CPU. This is our little CPU block. It's a little messy right now, but don't worry, we're doing the best we can.
I don't know where they went.
Starting to come together a little bit more. Update. These screws suck. Got Mobo in, CPU in Mobo, fans in case.
Dude, that's the only part you caught. Now it looks like I don't know what I'm doing.
The magnet on that screwdriver is really weak.
You're weak.
Can't even see with your hair in your eyes.
Yeah, so you don't know my next move.
You don't know your next move. Okay, now we've got this open. Back where we left off. Nice. Missing power supply still. Opened up this box. Fully modular system, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that. And the packaging seems really nice. I think this is a little pouch to hold the extra wires that you're not going to be using. I have to figure out which ones we need and which ones we can ignore. Some Velcro wraps. Some more wires. More wires, but jeez. It's very fancy. This cool little bag it comes in too. Just that's pretty neat. There you have it. Don't like that there's moisture there.
Okay,
So we opened the power supply, took it out of the box. There was a little bit of moisture on the outside case, which was a little worrisome. So what I ended up doing was using that blower to blow some of, if there was any water on the inside, get the water out of it. And luckily, they sent us this little power supply tester, so you don't have to hook it up to the motherboard to see if it works. So we're just gonna go ahead and check to make sure that everything is working before we connect it to the computer. Viola.
Why is it so quiet? Okay. Well, I'm gonna put this bad boy in and
Make sure everything else powers up.
yep.
So we had to pop open the old computer, get my hard drive. I already took it out, it's not in there. Had to take out the old hard drive, it's not in there anymore. So we can use it in the new build. Set up, middle of the kitchen. First boot up, testing to see if it's gonna work and if my hard drive gets corrupted or not. So far it's looking pretty good. Okay, so after what, 15 minutes? 20 minutes of waiting?
I don't know, it just worked here.
Everything is up and good to go. Okay, so as you can see, everything ended up working. This is the computer running. You see all the pretty lights. There ended up being 2 RGB controllers, hence the mismatched colors. But so far everything is working well and the temperatures are staying cool. So we should be okay and good to go. Please, if you have any recommendations or advice, leave it in the comments below. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and remember to like and subscribe if you feel like it.